Hi everybody, it's Suzanne Grandchamp, divorce attorney, author, and coach. I'm doing a series of divorce readiness videos in anticipation of my upcoming Divorce Readiness Bootcamp, which launches on Tuesday, October 1, 2024. Just a reminder before we get going that this is general divorce information. It is not legal advice. You'd need to get legal advice from an attorney licensed to practice law in the state in which you reside. In today's video, we're going to talk about 2 of the 7 steps to finding a capable, seasoned, and caring divorce attorney. And this comes from my handout, 7 Steps to Finding a Capable, Seasoned, and Caring Divorce Attorney, which you can go ahead and click on the link below, and I'd be happy to send it to you for free. All right, the first step to finding a capable, seasoned, caring divorce attorney is to flesh out what your basic needs and goals are. For example, you may have a need for regular communication from your attorney. You want to be informed by them. You want to be educated as to the process by them. You may also have a need for transparent communication that flows both ways. You want your attorney to level with you and tell you what you need to know, not what you want to hear. And you want to be able to do the same with information that you need to share with your attorney. And you may also have a need that your attorney be capable and competent in the subject areas that are related to your divorce. Now that may seem kind of silly. You're like, well, of course, I want them to know what the laws are. I don't mean that. I mean, if you're if you have a high net worth and you have a business that needs to be valued, you need an attorney who has experience doing these things. In addition, if you're dealing with a high conflict person, you need an attorney who is well versed in narcissistic abuse. And then with respect to your goals, you should just roughly flesh out or state what it is that you hope to achieve in the divorce process. For example, you might want equal custody and rights regarding the children. You might feel that you have a need for child support or spousal support. And you might want to go ahead and write down that you want to keep your inheritance that you received from your grandmother during your marriage. So these are just some examples of needs and goals that should be put on a piece of paper and roughed out before meeting with an attorney. The second step for finding a capable, seasoned, and caring divorce attorney is to go ahead and seek out recommendations and to do research on a number of different potential divorce attorneys. The first thing to do is cast a wide net with respect to potential recommendations. You've got to ask family, trusted friends. Maybe a work colleague has had a good experience with a divorce attorney. You can also reach out to various professionals like your therapist or a realtor or even a financial planner can often be a good source for a recommendation. In addition, I've been recommended several times by hairstylists who seem to be in the know when it comes to divorce attorneys. All right, once you have your recommendations in hand, and you should have 3 or 4 of them, you start an online search. Where to start that online search? The State Licensing Board. Most states will give you information about whether that attorney is in good standing, whether they have malpractice insurance, and whether they're CLE, that means continuing legal education, compliant. Finally, get online and read any and all reviews you can get your hands on with respect to the list of your recommended attorneys. But know this, you've got to read beyond the hyperbole. What do I mean by this? Reviews that say how great this attorney is and what an awesome settlement I got, or how terrible this attorney is, I lost everything, whatever. What you really need to look for are the particular is detail about what this attorney did really well, what this attorney did poorly, and to see how it matches up with what you think will be at issue in your case. So just be discerning with respect to the reviews, but read all of them that you can. And if you have questions about the reviews, that's a great thing to bring to an initial consultation with the particular attorney. All right, that does it for the 2 out of the 7 steps to finding a capable, seasoned, and caring divorce attorney. Again, if you want the entire 7 steps, they're right here. I'm happy to send it to you. Just click on the link below. All right, everybody, I'll see you again soon, and thank you.